Welcome. If you want to change lock method in your HUAWEI MediaPad T3, let's go for the settings. And right now we have to find the screen and the lock's passwords. Right now go for the password. And for example, we can select the pattern. So let's draw our pattern and confirm with the same. Click on the finish right now. And right now, when we are going to lock our device, where is the bottom of the lock? Okay, it is right here. And right now, when we try to unlock, we have to input our pattern. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.